Alright guys, Alex with Master Garage here. Today we are going to work on Kia Optima 2012 Kia Optima hybrid battery replacement. Check engine light is on. It says check the hybrid system. I got the battery. That's a used one from LKQ. So take the carpet off. Make sure you disconnect the 12-volt battery, as I already did. Here you have to take that safety fuse. There is a tab here. Push it down, push it up, and then pull it just like that and take it off. This is very important. You have to do that. And then we're gonna remove the carpet, the cover. Make sure you wear the electric resistant gloves. And okay, let's start moving that carpet, and we go step by step together. Now, as you see, we took all the covers off right here. Let me show it to you. All the carpets and covers over there, everything is off. Just disconnect the 12-volt battery. As I mentioned, it's always a good idea to replace the 12-volt battery if you have if you haven't replaced it for a while. It's better to replace it with the hybrid battery. So this job is gonna cost around $2,000 part and labor if you go with the used battery. So I got the used battery for like around 90,000 miles. Of course, if you go higher mile, it's gonna be cheaper, but just to give you an idea. So we are about to take that out. I'm gonna guide you step by step. So one more thing, the seat, the bottom seat and the back seat, both parts has to come off in order to access to the wiring harness over there. I'm gonna show you in a minute. So the bottom part, there is two tabs here. Just pull it up and it's gonna come off. The back part, you have 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws, number 12, and then this part is gonna come off. Now right here you need to disconnect this air duct attached to the fan and the other one. This is the inlet, this is the outlet. So use a 10mm socket here, right there, and over there, back there. Disconnect them, and then after that you're gonna go over there. I'm gonna show it to you right now. Okay, right here use the Phillips screwdriver. Take all the screws around it out and take this cover off. Now you have couple of the wiring here. You need to disconnect all the wires over here, and then get back here. We have 1, 2 12mm socket, and let me show you over here, and 1 here, 2, 3 and 4 12mm socket over there. This is going to be this side. Take them off and ask somebody to help you to pull it out, because that thing is heavy. Okay, now you need to take that cover off, which I already did, and disconnect all these 3, 1, 2, 3 with 10mm. Again, be careful. You need to use your special tool, electricity resistant glove and everything. I never recommend to do this at your garage or something. This has got the 110 volt electricity, and that's a high voltage battery, and you don't want to get shocked. Okay, we keep going. Okay, we got it out. As you see, we are about to put back the other one up there. So the installation is just reversed of the procedure. Just again, be careful, you use your own your proper tool for this job. All right, thank you guys for watching, and God bless.